Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Kia Connected Routing and Alerts easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin subscribing to Kia Connected Routing and Alerts, ensure you have your Kia account ready. Open your web browser and navigate to the Kia Connected Services website. Log in using your Kia account credentials. Once logged in, look for the Connected Services section on the dashboard. Click on Connected Routing and Alerts. You will see an overview of the subscription details. Review the information provided about routing and alerts. Select your preferred subscription plan from the options available. Enter your payment information as prompted. Confirm your payment details and click Submit. Once your transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation email. Open your Kia app on your smartphone or connected device. Make sure your vehicle is linked to your Kia account. Go to the Settings section in the app. Find and enable the option for Routing and Alerts. Customize your alert preferences based on your needs. Save your settings and exit the app. To verify your subscription, open the app again and navigate to the Connected Services area. You should see your subscription status displayed clearly. If you encounter any issues, return to the Kia customer support page for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.